All right, let's correct the record. There was a humming expectation from day one that XRP would reach the historic $10,000 mark, and that it would happen. That prediction recently received a huge boost, and guess what? Now, we're talking about Larry Fink from Blackrock lending his support to this. Imagine that he is discussing more than simply a pittance of $10,000 per XRP. He's referring to it as a basic requirement. Oh no. Let's briefly catch up before getting into the main topic of today's article. Please do me a favor by hitting the like button, subscribe, and ringing the notification bell so that you can become a part of our incredible community. Imagine financial behemoths like Vanguard and Blackrock now giving XRP serious consideration for their cross-border transactions. And wait, things will improve. Rumor has it that Blackrock will introduce an ETF with an emphasis on XRP. Yes, you heard correctly. There's more, though. Fink, Larry, didn't stop there. The enormous $30 trillion real estate market is what he is examining. Do you know what lies at the core of its future? You got it. The XRP ledger is prepared to tokenize everything. Additionally, an incredible $1.20 quadrillion from the International Swaps and Traders Association, ISDA, is scheduled to pass through RippleNet and the XRP ledger. We're not merely discussing $10,000 per XRP, that's childish. The value of XRP may soar to as much as $60,000. Amazing. Let's go on to the following section. BlackRock's Larry Fink revealed yet another shocking revelation. He's acting, not just talking. A significant development that will tokenize everything is imminent for Ripple and its digital asset XRP. Additionally, we have a clip in the next section of our film that is sure to draw attention. BlackRock's shift to an XRP ETF was confirmed by Larry Fink personally. Therefore, we should not wait much longer. You've been waiting for this clip. One example of how we're legitimizing it is the emergence of Bitcoin ETFs. We're making things safer. Are you going to do another ETF? What about an ETF for XRP? You have Ether out there, I know that. What about XRP? Can you respond to that? I am unable to. You don't want me to either. Yes, I do. No, I can't. Don't give me the rap, okay? The cryptocurrency market has seen a flurry of abnormalities in recent days, especially about XRP. Imagine this. On the well-known exchange Crypto.com, XRP's value skyrocketed to an incredible $43,000. This is not a one-time occurrence. It's a part of an increasing pattern of XRP's value unexpectedly rising. Do you recall last week's discussion of a $7,000 XRP malfunction at a major exchange? It's Crypto.com's turn now. Furthermore, it appears that these abrupt increases in XRP's value frequently occur on several exchanges. Let's change our focus, though, and talk about something equally amazing that I discovered via extensive investigation and has nothing to do with BlackRock or the general upswing in the XRP market. We're going to discuss Gary Gensler, the famous SEC chairman who took over for Jake Clinton. As you may already be aware, Gensler constantly classifies XRP as a security. This is when the interesting part begins. Robert M. Gensler, Gary Gensler's identical twin brother, is the same age as Gary and has a strikingly similar appearance. As the vice president of T. Rowe Price, Robert plays a significant role in the company. You'll discover that T. Rowe Price isn't your typical financial organization when you do a bit more research. It is one of the biggest investors in Ethereum, Bitcoin, and yes, XRP. Thus, this connection is intriguing. His twin brother is heavily involved in an investing firm that is a major investor in XRP and other cryptocurrencies, even though Gary Gensler, the head of the SEC, still classifies XRP as a security. It's an intriguing contrast that begs many questions regarding the complex processes at work in the realm of Bitcoin investments and laws. This leads us to an intriguing prospect. Is it possible that T. Rowe Price's vice president, Robert Gensler, has unique knowledge of XRP's potential, similar to that of Ethereum and Bitcoin. The firm's substantial investments in these three cryptocurrencies lend credence to this notion. Even while the SEC openly rejects the idea of insider trading, several studies and papers have indicated otherwise. These inquiries, which have focused on insider trading and market manipulation, have frequently brought attention to dubious SEC methods. A pattern seems to be taking shape. It appears that SEC officials are informing their relatives about the digital assets that may soon no longer be classified as securities. These family members then make early investments, and when the asset is formally deemed non-security, its value soars, enabling these friends and family to profit handsomely from low purchases and high sales. In light of this, let's examine the possibility that Robert N. Gensler might have had insider knowledge about the SEC's possible defeat in a case against XRP from his brother, Gary Gensler. Sensible investors may want to buy an XRP at this time because of the possibility that Congress will press for a settlement between Ripple Labs and the SEC. However, observing T-Rowe price shift money more and more toward Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most importantly XRP, gives this story a deeper dimension. Even while the cryptocurrency community is humming about XRP possibly hitting incredible highs of $10,000, $20,000, or even $60,000, analysts like Jack the Ripper, who have been optimistic about XRP, forecast an enormous increase in value that could push it beyond $589. Despite being audacious, this prediction highlights the increased interest and conjecture surrounding XRP and its potential in the cryptocurrency market. I suspect that Wall Street wants a share of the profitable XRP market. An XRP ETF will be the first significant move. Let's examine this trend in more detail, though. Crypto Basic has some exciting news for us. A former director of Ripple has taken notice of the analyst's suggestion that JP Morgan has made a big move into XRP. My eyebrows were definitely raised by this news, and we should discuss it more. This is how the narrative unfolds. An ex-Ripple director responded to Ben Armstrong, formerly of the BitBoy cryptocurrency brand, who resurfaced some contentious allegations regarding JP Morgan's purported involvement in XRP. This was disclosed in a series of posts by Armstrong, a prominent person in the crypto world. He claims that a substantial 7.5 million XRP coins have been purchased by JP Morgan. Armstrong continues by asserting that this transaction amounts to around 7.5% of JP Morgan's overall fortune. Hold on, though, since that seems really strange. Considering that JP Morgan's total assets are an astounding $3.89 trillion as of their 2023 estimation, 7.5 million XRP at its present value of $4.46 million doesn't even approach 7.5% of their fortune. Armstrong's calculation is not entirely accurate. Armstrong, however, highlights the importance of JP Morgan's purported approach, implying that they are covertly hoarding XRP. He claims that this establishes JP Morgan as a rising force in the Bitcoin space. There is a story about Wall Street behemoths like JP Morgan possibly getting involved in the cryptocurrency space, particularly with XRP. Even though the figures may be a little dubious, it's still worth considering that big financial institutions are getting involved in the cryptocurrency space. With XRP at the epicenter of several intriguing occurrences, it suggests a broader trend of traditional banking interacting with the digital currency realm. Armstrong's audacious remarks have also brought attention to asset management behemoth Blackrock. He's heating things by saying that Blackrock is now considering XRP for its investment portfolio after its iShares Bitcoin ETF was approved. Armstrong continued after it. Additionally, he is focusing on the ongoing legal battle between the US SEC and Ripple. His opinion? Despite the continuing legal drama, the fact that these financial titans are investing in XRP shows that they have a strong conviction in the cryptocurrency's bright future. If this accumulation tendency is accurate, it would indicate that major financial institutions are placing bets on XRP despite its turbulent regulatory environment. Folks, here's the thing. The adoption of cryptocurrency by Wall Street was always a possibility. When I first started talking about this more than 5 years ago, it seemed like a pipe dream. But now look at us, with Bitcoin in the forefront. Do you think XRP won't do the same? I would have to disagree politely. When is more important than if? Armstrong's depiction of the particular situation, but may not be the complete picture. The plot thickens, though. Former Ripple director Matt Hamilton responded to Armstrong's startling charges with a healthy dose of skepticism. He questioned whether such a purchase was legitimate and what effect it would have on XRP considering the large supply of the coin. Hamilton then pulls out a calculator. Considering that there are 100 billion XRP in circulation, 7.5 million XRP represents a meager 0.0075%. Hamilton even responded to Armstrong's assertions with the joke, "I'm guessing this is a parody account." It's a playful homage to Armstrong's frequently fanciful remarks, implying that understanding them would need a humorous perspective. Now, let's dissect the math since, to be honest, it speaks for itself. Hamilton was spot on with the numbers, highlighting the obvious errors in the initial assertion. The statistics simply don't add up, and that much is obvious. However, this made me wonder, where exactly did this bizarre tale start? I performed some research and found the answer: people. I've discovered the source, and it's amazing. That's it. It's critical to remain astute and perceptive in the intricate and frequently ambiguous field of crypto reporting. I'm here to give you the genuine scoop and assist you navigate these rough waters, as usual. Please keep in mind that I do not hold a financial advisor license. These videos' content is solely intended for viewing enjoyment. Before making any financial decisions, I always advise viewers to do their own research and speak with experts. Many thanks for listening. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Additionally, if you want to be the first to know when I post new stuff, make sure you enable notifications. I can't wait to see you again in the next video. Be careful.